Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We have a Grand National Championship AACA first place award winner right here. It won a senior first place, the Grand National Champion, and it also got a preservation award. Now this car was restored back in the early 90s. It's had about 300 miles a year since then, and it's been really well cared for, so it's not brand new anymore, but it's still one of the best 57 Chevys around. It's restored to factory condition, has the 4-barrel, a 3-speed with overdrive, a 411 gear in the back. This is an old hot rod. And I've got a photo album here showing the complete restoration. It looks like they started with a real solid car to begin with. It was a factory red car. They took it down to its bare bones and restored it from the ground up. Go to volocars.com. You can see all the pictures, including some of the ones that are in the book. Read all the specs, and that's where you'll find the price. Not only on this one, we do have a few hundred collector cars. They're all for sale at volocars.com. If you enjoy watching the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. Right now, tops down, let's go for a spin in a 57 Chevy Bel Air. Yeah, the body was removed from the chassis, and then chassis was stripped down to bare, refinished, all rebuilt. You know, the front end, the components, the bushings, the springs, the shocks, fuel lines, brake lines, the fuel tank, all that was replaced. It has a dual exhaust system. It looks like a stock system, but the mufflers themselves are stainless. So underneath the body, it's all metal. It was all restored, and it is painted with a primer. That's how they would have left the factory. So yeah, underneath this car was completely redone. The body is absolutely straight, and that says a lot about the car and the type of restoration it had. To be restored in the early 90s and be laser beam straight, that's pretty special. If it was full of Bondo and that, it would be bubbling and blistering. And the gaps are all spot on, so the body is excellent. I mean, this is really good stuff here. This fits beautifully. The paint is gorgeous. It looks like red glass. You probably wouldn't even notice it if it wasn't your car. If you just walk up to it, you will not see it. But somewhere there is some checking in the paint just from age. I can kind of see it when the light hits it a certain way. There's a couple real light hairline cracks down here. All of this is like glass. All the chrome and trim was replaced. It has T3 headlights, the rockets, the emblems, the trim, all of that's still beautiful. All that paint's gorgeous. This chrome is just sparkling. The wipers, all of that sparkling. The gasket is still soft. And this fender has some crackling right in this area here. I wouldn't even be concerned. If it bothered you that much, you could fix it, but I don't think anyone's ever going to point it out to you. Dual mirrors, the glass is all new, has the door handle protectors, has rocker moldings, spinners. These are radial white wall tires, so they're probably not that old. The white convertible top is power. It's excellent, still looks like new. All the side moldings, all this trim is excellent. It has optional reverse lights. This trim is optional. It has the gold trim, and you know where to put the gas. In the 57, has the optional rear antenna. That trunk lid fits perfectly square. Inside the trunk, and we have the pictures. Before anything went in, everything's painted red. If you pulled the carpets out, if you took the door panels off, it's gloss red even behind there. This entire trunk compartment is painted. It's Matador red. It's an orangish red, but it's all smooth and glossy. The new insulation pads, the weather strip, the rubber mat, the latches are detailed. Reproduction tires never been used. All this stainless is polished. And it is a correct 283 4-barrel mated to a 3-speed manual trans. Now in here we've got power steering, power brakes, electric wipers. It's the power pack motor, which is the 4-barrel. All the correct components, the air cleaner, the glass bowl for the filter, hoses and clamps, the Chevrolet script valve covers. It has a reproduction battery. It's all bolted down properly, has the right tags. So it's a beautiful motor compartment. Of course, the interior has all been redone. Jambs are beautiful. It has the reproduction mats. Everything across the dash is just sparkling. And it is a manual 3-speed with the overdrive. That's the setup if you're looking for a little bit of a hot rod. Now it also has factory skirts. They're painted. They fit no problem. Some people prefer them. Some people don't. That's your choice. It's got all the stickers, the jack. The well liner still looks like new. To be honest with you, when I was buying this car, I didn't realize it was restored that long ago. I was looking at the car, talking to the owner. I thought it was a fresh restoration. Steering wheel, dash is all painted. And it has 8,600 miles on it. That comes out to like 300 miles a year since it's been done. It has the tags up on the grill for the 2 national awards that it's won. We're going to start it up. It feels good. It just functions really well. The mirror, the knobs, even the radio. There's no pits on the radio. You got an owner's manual in the glove box, in the pouch. The light works in the glove box. Ashtray's clean. Under the dash, the heater box, all that stuff's been restored. There's a soft tint in the glass. And it comes with red fuzzy dice. That motor just runs smooth as can be. Hood fits nice and square, lines up beautifully. Everything shuts so nice. So there you have it. You got one drop-dead gorgeous 57 Chevy convertible. It's won the awards. It has the book. It has great options. All it needs is someone to enjoy it. Visit volocars.com. I just gave you my impression of this Bel Air. Plenty of ways on there to contact our salesmen. They will answer any concerns or questions you may have about the car. They can also ship it anywhere in the world. They can get you financed. They'll make the paperwork real easy. Again, volocars.com. If you enjoy watching these videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon, and you'll be the first to see the next video posted. Thanks for watching.